Welcome to our interactive video on the significance of Montessori teacher training. In this video, we'll explore what Montessori teacher training is, why it is important, and how it can benefit from teachers and students. What is Montessori teacher training? Montessori teacher training is a specialized training program that provides teachers with the knowledge, skills, and understanding to teach in a Montessori environment. The training includes both theoretical and practical aspects such as Montessori philosophy, child development, curriculum development, and classroom management. Have you heard of Montessori teacher training before? Why is Montessori teacher training important? Montessori teacher training is important because it enables teachers to understand and apply the Montessori philosophy effectively. It also equips them with the necessary skills to create a nurturing and supportive learning environment that promotes the holistic development of each child. Do you agree that teacher training is important for providing quality education? How can Montessori teacher training benefit teachers and students? Montessori teacher training benefits both teachers and students. For teachers, it provides opportunities for personal and professional growth, improves their teaching skills, and enhances their career prospects. For students, it offers holistic and child-centered approach to learning, which promotes their cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development. Have you ever experienced a child-centered learning environment? What were your thoughts? In conclusion, Montessori teacher training is essential for teachers who wish to teach in a Montessori environment. It provides them with the knowledge, skills, and understanding to create a supportive learning environment that promotes the holistic development of each child. We hope you have enjoyed this interactive video and gained a deeper understanding of the significance of Montessori teacher training. If you want to pursue a career in Montessori teacher training, we would be happy to assist you. Please visit our website at www.iimtt.org for more information and to get in touch with us.